married couple. So this topic, so many of you have written to us that we are recently getting married and we really want to understand, because this was given in the website, that there is an evil eye protection for the newly married couple as well. And people who have recently got married also wrote to the team that they are feeling that some things have started going wrong immediately after 1 month of marriage or 3 months of marriage, and they are feeling that this is something which is not natural. Unnecessarily fights, unnecessary confusions, arguments, and mood swings of the couple. So they have realized these changes in them, and so many of them have written to us, not just when this lockdown thing happened and the marriages happened, but before that also. I mean, 3 to 4 years, these kind of queries have been coming mostly on newly married couples. So yes, first of all, evil eye protection for newly married couple do exist with us. And first, let's talk about that. What is the reason, or what can be the reasons of you getting affected through other people's eyes or other people's intentions or vibrations when you recently get married, or even if you get a good prospect of getting married. Okay, so see, you have to understand, let's start from the day when you are getting married. Okay, we are not starting from engagement time, you're starting the day of the marriage, the celebration day, the main day of marriage. You're nicely dressed, whether it's a bride or a groom, and you're in the best of your makeup and dresses and everything for girls and boys both. So now what is happening is that so many people who are maybe not that much good looking. Now I'm not trying to say that good looks are so important, but I'm just giving a general outlook that these days, in today's times, looks are very important for few people, and that should not be the way it is, because looks are not very important. But here we're talking about people who are actually influenced by all these things. These things become very important for them. So if you're nicely dressed, there are some people who also want to look nice and they are not able to look nice, maybe due to whatever reasons. And if you get a nice partner, if you get a beautiful partner or an intelligent partner or a handsome person, there's so many of you, maybe friends, relatives, even sometimes just siblings for that matter, your cousins, who feel that this is something that they have achieved and this is something that I could not get in my life. So this kind of a feeling when happens within the family also. So do not think that this is only for the outsiders or your friends, your office colleagues. This can be sometimes internally more in your family. And I always say to all of you that whenever there's any black magic or whenever there's any negative things, people who are much more closer to you, whether it's your house, whether it's your relatives, they are the ones who are more responsible for this kind of an act to happen on you. Okay, so be very careful. Even sometimes I've seen that there's so much of sibling rivalry, because if you did not have a good marriage, you did not have a good relationship, so own real brothers, sisters, they go through this envious feeling and this internal frequency within them, that they start feeling jealous and they start spoiling things for their own brothers and sisters. I have seen this also. And the thing is that anything that is related to evil eye needs a thorough protection when it comes to the married people, because these people will not be open about what they're feeling. These people will sulk internally. These people will pretend internally that everything is fine, but there's so much negative from inside, that their negativity will show on their faces, the negativity will show on their actions. And what is happening? You people as newly married couple will start getting affected, because you don't have a slightest of clue that what is going on inside them, because you think that they are our own people, these are our own people, they will think of our good. So that's not the case every time. Anyways, let's move further on to this, that I talked about friends, offices, people, and now what is my recommendation is that, see, once you're getting married, before any celebration starts, do a sapshati part for yourself as a couple immediately after engagement. This is something, and do this with the intention that the goddess, having this in your mind, that goddess, please protect us from all the evil eyes. And if there's any evil person around us, please give us a sign that we should be able to figure out or identify the person somehow with some signal. Okay, now some of you will think that how, Didi, this is possible? How will we get to know there's so many people who's eyeing on us? But trust me, when you feel or you ask this kind of strength from the goddess, somehow you start getting signs and that who are the people who are really happy with us and who are the people who are just pretending to be happy with us. This happens. Do this and then you will find this out that what I'm saying is correct. Okay? Okay, even if you can't do that for that matter, immediately once you get engaged, get yourself protected through this evil eye thing, from this evil eye protection. Get this protection now. This is very, very important. This will really, really help you. And the best time is after the engagement, because the moment the family will get to know, the celebrations will start, all those things, you know, in a group will start. Okay, so yes, evil eye protection for newly married couple is very important. This is a very important thing for you people to realize. And if you're having fights, if you're having confusions, if you're having unnecessarily mood swings, or if you suddenly start thinking that even our married life is not going very correct, but everything is correct between us, what is the reason? This can be one of the major reasons. See, every time it's not black magic, like I said, it can be an evil eye thing also. Somebody who's envying you so badly, maybe few group of people, or maybe one single person, or maybe two people, that it really hits onto you people. Okay, so that's about in the video. I'm going to talk about that evil eye do exist for the newly married couple as well, and what you can do and what you should be doing for your protection. Okay, it's not that when everything goes haywire only then you wake up. Sometimes precaution is also better than cure. That I can always say, in all the black magic processes, all the negativities, it's always better to take precaution, to make yourself alert and aware. Okay, so that's about it. I'll see you next week with another topic. Till then, goodbye.